How to change Uber country. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To change your Uber country, head over to your uber.com or you can launch your Uber application if you have installed in your device. Tap on the two horizontal lines that you will see at your top right corner. Once you click on it, you need to navigate to Help. In here with the different categories, you need to go ahead and select on Riders. With all of the current topic, select on Account. In your account, scroll down and tap on I need to contact support. Start off by entering the name that is associated with the Uber account, then enter your mobile number. Toggle on Author. In the dialog box, go ahead and type in that you wish to change your Uber country. This is because Uber application does not allow you to change the Uber country. If the GPS that should navigate the Uber regarding the region and the country does not work, you can try this method. If not, you can even try to restart your location option. By this way, you'll be able to change your Uber country. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.